side-by-side looks like before it gets portals. Sorry for all the wind noise. Yep, got the tires off. Getting ready to start this upgrade. Here are all the parts. That's a lot of stuff I gotta do. Still waiting on a few of them, but some of them are here. Okay, here's our Gen 2 portal, and I got my brand new shiny RCV axles. This part here goes in no problem to the portal. Now if you come over to this side, normally this right here is the bolt that they would be having you cinch down the axle, which does not fit on the end of this. The stock axle is 0.798 inches on the end, and the new one that goes on is 0.941 inches. So while this fits in, there's no room inside this dust cover on this side to screw in the stub. So we need to find a solution to get that to happen. If you're upgrading your axles to RCVs, this is not going to work with anything except a stock configured axle.
All right, here's today's one of today's projects here at the shop. This car is for the guys on Portal Nation. We'll make sure we get this out there, and all you crawlers. This car is set up to the hilt. This guy is here getting some shock work and getting a little clutch work done. But we're going to go over all the parts on this thing. Starting on the back, we've got Alex and his team here. We got the CT Raceworks stuff. We've got the Super ATV portals. These are Gen 2s, I believe, only because the Gen 3s hadn't quite come out yet, but they still work great. Got the RCV axles here, some of the strongest in the business. Got some 35-inch Maxis here. The stickies, they stick and they hold anything. Got the Walker Evans links here, a little bit of helps for the crawling. Got all kinds of stuff up here. You got the PCI radio stuff. We've got the particle separator, a bunch of fun goodies inside. Not really our specialty there. And then we move to the front. Got the Super ATV arms here, as well as the RCV axles on the front. Got some clean setup. This is a clean car. And for anybody who wonders, this car measures out currently at 22 inches of clearance and 87 inches wide, folks. 87 inches. And this thing's going to be a beast. I can't wait to see this thing in the mountains and crawling. So, good day and have fun. Be safe.
Alright, getting all strapped down. They're about ready to do a baseline before they do my clutch on the dyno. See how this goes.
So before any work is done on this with the clutches and everything, it puts out 126 to the rear wheels.
Yep, love it. Love it, love it. Just put it in a little bit better situation.
Alright, here with our customer Chris. This is his RC that he's just, we just finished the shocks, got them all set up. I'm going to go over the car here again. Did a clutch tune on it, KMS, got it all dialed in. These big neat, got 35-inch Maxxis tires on it here, the stickies. Got Super ATV arms on the front. Got the RCV axles all the way around. Got the Gen 2 Super ATV portal, 4-inch. Ground clearance is 22 inches on this one. Got a bunch of stuff on the inside. Got PCI radio. Got the rock sliders here. Of course, the shocks in the back. Undid the sway bar for him so we could get some more articulation. Got CT Raceworks. And they're set up here on the back, again, RCV axles, full plate from CT, particle separator from S&B, and this thing is set up to be a beast in the rock. Definitely going to be a good time. Any questions on this one, let us know. Go crawler, folks. This is a perfect set. Have a good day, be safe.
This is the Candy Ass Gatekeeper.
That wasn't even a challenge.